Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive into how to use Notion to organize your life with a full guide for 2025. Notion is an incredibly powerful tool that can be your all-in-one workspace where you can write, plan, collaborate, and get organized. First, let's create a new page. We'll name it Life Organization. This is your central hub where all your tasks, lists, and schedules live. The reason we do this is to have a unique and personalized space that caters to your specific needs. Now that we've done that, let's design the page. With Notion, you can customize your page to look visually appealing and practical. Start by adding headers, subheaders, and dividers to segment your page into different categories or areas of your life. This helps us because it makes our page easy to navigate and allows us to quickly find what we're looking for. Next up, let's add some useful widgets. For instance, we can add a task list to keep track of our daily to-dos, a calendar to schedule our days, and a habit tracker to monitor our progress towards our goals. These widgets are the key to organizing your life as they keep you focused, motivated, and productive. Once we've added our widgets, it's time to link important pages. This could be project notes, reading lists, or even meal plans. The beauty of Notion is that you can link related pages, creating a web of interconnected information. This is essential because it allows for easy access and navigation between different areas of your life. Let me explain why this matters. When you have all your life's important aspects in one place, elegantly structured and interconnected, you save time and mental energy. You can quickly see what needs your attention, plan your day efficiently, and stay on track with your goals. There you have it. With these steps, you've set up a robust system on Notion to organize your life. Remember, the beauty of Notion is in its flexibility. Feel free to experiment, adapt, and tweak it to suit your lifestyle. Keep exploring and happy organizing.